Hi, everyone. So we're here about midway up Snodgrass Mountain. Today is September the 1st, 2020. We're with Dr. Jeff Deems at the University of Colorado at Boulder. Jeff is one of our DOE-funded university investigators here in the East River. He's been with us for quite a few years. Jeff also is the lead in terms of collecting NASA's Airborne Snow Observatory data here in the greater watershed. I wanted to give Jeff an opportunity to introduce himself as a part of our Meet the Scientist series. Jeff, tell us what you're up to today and a little bit about your project in general.
Great, thanks, Ken. Yeah, we're halfway up Snodgrass, where we collectively, the greater DOE project, has a transect of MET stations. The one here in the open, about halfway up, is installed by Dr. Mark Rowley, now at Oregon State University, and this site is paired with another one in the deep canopy at the same elevation just around the corner here, where we're comparing snow accumulation and metamorphic processes in subcanopy and open environments. That type of differential process evolution in different ecosystems and different environments, we try to scale up then to larger watershed processes with the objective of simulating snow processes across the entire ecologic gradient in the East River. So these station data are paired with other stations, as well as manual measurements during the winter made by our projects and other collaborators, and then airborne measurements from the Airborne Snow Observatory using airborne LiDAR and spectrometer to map snow depth, water equivalent, and albedo across the landscape at high resolutions. All these data can then support process-based modeling of snow cover evolution, which drives a lot of other ecologic and watershed processes.
That's fantastic. Can you tell us a little bit about what makes Snodgrass a particularly attractive site for the work you and Mark are leading?
Fundamentally, access is one of them. This watershed in the winter, the access is basically right at the bottom of this hill. The rest of the watershed is really difficult to reach in the winter. It takes really strong skiers with lots of backcountry knowledge to access the more remote sites. Here we can get here and dig multiple snow pits, make multiple measurements throughout the winter with much greater ease and safety of access.
Excellent. So you noted two sites. This is your highest elevation site?
This is our highest elevation site with the SNOW project in particular. There's a site on the top of Snodgrass, just over the skyline here, that's maintained by Rocky Mountain Biological Lab. These and other scientists installed and maintained stations along this transect form that elevational gradient of monitoring stations.
Outstanding. Thanks so much, Jeff. Really nice to hear what you've been up to for the past couple of years.
Great, thanks, Ken.